YouTube Revenue Ideas 2020. In line with this digital shift, the next thing you should learn is how to make money on YouTube. All you need is video editing software and a computer and you can get started on YouTube. 1. YouTube monetization. The best step to maximize revenue is to start a blog in unison with your YouTube channel and add affiliate links there too. That way, you're monetizing YouTube and also have a website on a platform that you own yourself. The first step to starting a blog is to get started with Bluehost web hosting. 2. Become a YouTube partner and earn from ads. As a YouTube partner, you make money in different ways. You can make money from ads before your videos, channel memberships, or Google AdSense banner ads. However, there are some ground rules to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner as well as some prerequisites needed to start. Aside from adhering to YouTube's ad rules, you must amass a minimum of 4,000 video watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. 3. Make money on YouTube with funding from your fans. A platform like Patreon introduces more seamlessness to the process of getting paid for your content. For as little as $1, your fans can make subscriptions to their favorite channels, even going home with some exclusive rewards from their favorite content creators. Tippy is another service that allows you to enjoy a combo of recurring and one-time donations. 4. Master your YouTube SEO. For video creators who have not built a significant following yet, you have to step up your game and maximize YouTube SEO this year. In general, Google provides video results for keywords on how to, reviews, tutorials, and funny video terms. There are also 5 key YouTube SEO ranking factors to consider: number of comments, subscribes after watching a video, thumbs up, thumbs down ratio, video length, click-through rate on the YouTube search results. 5. Make the most of your YouTube marketing funnel. Optimize your YouTube channel for sales. Choose your niche, become a YouTube partner, and start planning your marketing funnel. YouTube is one way to spread your message, but you can make more money by using YouTube in unison with a blog. That way you're collecting more email addresses and eventually selling products to your fan base. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.